Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Sign into your Samsung account and make sure Find My Mobile is enabled. This is why remote actions work. Once that's done, open a browser or Samsung's app on a secondary device and log in with the same credentials. Make sure location services were allowed on the lost phone so the device reports its position. If location was off, prepare to use ring and lock features immediately to increase chances of recovery. Once logged in, select your missing device to get a live location and any recent movement history. This helps you decide whether to retrieve it yourself or get help. If nearby, hit the ring command to force maximum volume. This often reveals hidden phones. If not, immediately lock the device and show a message with your contact info. Set a backup PIN if prompted. Also enable tracking history to monitor the device while you plan your next steps. If recovery looks unlikely or your data is at risk, perform a remote wipe from Find My Mobile to erase personal information. Know that wiping will disable further location tracking. Next, notify your carrier to suspend service and report the loss to police with the IMEI or serial number for theft records. If tracking fails, troubleshoot by checking Google Timeline for last GPS traces and review recent account logins for clues. If Find My Mobile can't locate,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.